Yeah, hi and welcome to this Super Pay Me tutorial where we're going to show you how you can actually earn money online on Super Pay Me, but also how you can make it passively. So in other words, you don't need to do hardly any work at all and money will still come into your account. So without further ado, let's jump over to the desktop. We're going to go through this Super Pay Me tutorial about how you can actually start earning a passive income stream on Super Pay Me. Okay, so we're coming to my account here on superpay.me, and as you can see at the top here, I've got cash outstanding of $12.50. Okay, now I haven't been on here since I made a review video and payment proof. Done absolutely nothing. All I've actually done is literally did this video when I was away, actually looking at it. And that's all I've done. So let's go and show you how you can obviously turn Super Pay Me into a slightly passive income. Now obviously $12.50 is not a lot, but it's better than nothing. And at the end of the day, I've done absolutely nothing for this. All I've done, I've obviously come in, I've taken a survey, I've withdrawn cash just to check that it's all okay, which is what I would always urge you to do. So I've actually withdrew $2.16, and you can prove that obviously on this video here. And then what I did, I obviously went over to referrals here, and as you can see here, it basically says get paid a massive 25% of your referral earnings. Okay, your referrals will all receive 20 cents credit when they join to help them get started. So again, if you want to obviously start earning money with superpay.me, then now's the time to obviously click the link below in this video. Like I say, look, you can earn $1.66 per taking a 5-minute video for 5-minute survey. You can earn 90 cents for a 2-minute survey. So there's a great way that you can actually start earning some cash without actually having to do an awful lot of work. Now, once you also come into your referrals, you will see here you have your basic referral link. Okay, so what you can actually do is you can actually take this link, plus you can also take some of these banners and things like that, and then you can obviously put those in places where you can actually refer people. Okay, now once they start earning, then you will earn 25% of their earnings passively. Okay, so you don't actually have to be on the site to actually earn the cash. Now, there's various ways that you can obviously do this. You could obviously promote superpay.me through a video, just like I have there. Or you could also do a blog post or something like that. And if you have got a blog, you could put banners on your blog as well. So you could literally just copy and paste this code into an area on your website, and then this will show up and it'll have your referral code already embedded in it. So when someone clicks on it, then you will get the obviously commissions when they start earning. And of course, there's loads of other ways you could do it as well. You can obviously just post images and videos and that on Twitter, on Facebook, even on places like Instagram, TikTok. You could do small videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Loads and loads of different places you could actually do. You could also go on to forums, and then you could post a link on your bio and things like that take people back to superpay.me. So loads of different ways that you can actually go and do this, and obviously then put your link in there, which will then get you more referrals. And you don't need an awful lot of referrals for this to happen, guys. I've actually referred 33 people. Now, a percentage of people, and quite a high percentage of people, will probably do absolutely nothing. Okay, but what I've had actually 160 hits. So that's roughly just under a 25% sign up rate, which is pretty good, not bad at all. And again, you could obviously get this as well and start earning cash very, very passively. So what we're going to do before we end the video is obviously I guess go and just cash out this cash straight away into our PayPal account, so we can prove that it's all legit and above board and they are paying out. So just click across to where it says cash here. And as you can see here, this is my referral history. As you can see, I even earned money in July, so I'm earning money near enough every single day. So I can obviously withdraw cash and I can convert points into cash. So if we've got convert any points, now as you see here, we've got 342 points that we can convert. So let's go and convert those. So 342. So we can convert that into cash. And boom, straight away, we've got more money in there. So we've got another $3 something in there now. So we've now got $15.92. So that balance has gone straight up, straight away. Go back and we want to actually withdraw this cash. Okay, so we can do this by going on to our PayPal here. Remember, PayPal do take 2% of any cash withdrawal. So this amount will be slightly lower by the time it hits your PayPal account. And obviously, you just got to put your PayPal account address in there. And then you just got to hit withdraw. Okay, and it says here that your withdrawal request has been received and will be processed in under 8 hours. And last time I did it, I think it went across in about just over 2 hours. So that should be in my PayPal account very, very shortly. I'll put an image here exactly how long it actually took and proof it's gone into my PayPal account right here, and it'll show you exactly how long it took as well. So if you want to make some quick money, guys, and also some passive money, then why not try out superpay.me. It's totally legit. Like I say, it's only going to be a few bucks every month, but it's something that you can obviously do in your spare time and give you some extra cash. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.